the children in those kind of families. Yeah. So we'll still work on the word, but then that's it for now. And then for our wife. For our worship is first is task designation, wherein it means to include the children in the ministry according to their talent. So it's like the same with the farmer group. We'll just disseminate them according to their gifts. If they are good in worship, praise in worship, or in music, or if they are good at teaching for Sunday schools, for like that. And so with that, with the task designation, we will be into the instruction, wherein we will have a weekly, wherein we have the cell group with the weekly Bible study, and it also includes a spiritual guidance. Yes. Spiritual guidance, wherein, for example, we will have one-on-one discussion, communication with the child, and then we will just talk about